How do I get people's attention and get them to stop scrolling even though it's Ramadan, the last 10 days and nights? Oh, Assalamu alaikum. If you're still here, that means you want to hear about this project behind me. This is Jamia Al-Hudaa. It's a girls-only residential Islamic Darul Uloom and college, which has been here since 1996. Alhamdulillah, hundreds of students, hundreds of young girls from across the UK and Europe have graduated as alimas from this esteemed institution. Come with me so I can tell you more. So Jamia Al-Hudaa was the first ever girls-only Darul Uloom, residential Darul Uloom in the whole of Midlands, based right here in the middle of Nottingham. Alhamdulillah, the girls stay in this beautiful campus for 7 years. For the alima courses, they start at 11 years old. And those who start at 16 plus, they study here and they stay here for 3 or 4 years. Right now, Jamia Al-Hudaa, just like many other UK Darul Ulooms, needs your urgent support to continue to be a home for our daughters studying the Alimiya course. And at the moment, we need your urgent support because we've got phase 1 of the roof repair going on. Alhamdulillah, we've just completed it last week. And as you can see, the scaffolding is behind me. We're going to take you upstairs. When you reach the roof of the Jamia, I have to tell you there's some stunning views here. So if you come in here, see behind me and take a spin. So here on phase 1 of the roof repair, we've had fiberglass roof installed. We've had new slates put in, the best slates that we can get. And we've had these skylights also installed as well. And this is only phase 1 of the roof of the Jamia, as it's a huge premises and a huge campus. So we need your support now. It's cost us in the region of £60,000. We need your support urgently to pay off these repair costs and bills. Another part of the vital infrastructure and what makes this a warm home for our daughters studying here at the Jamia is this huge plant room. This plant room has been serving and keeping the Jamia warm for 30 years now. But unfortunately, every good thing has to come to an end. And now we urgently need your support and help to replace these boilers and carry out some vital works to upgrade this plant room this summer before next winter comes. Otherwise, this Jamia will not be able to be the home that it is for our daughters. So this Jamia is where our children, the future of this ummah, are developed and are learning about their deen so that they can teach it to the future generations. And these are Sadaqah Jariyah projects. And the ummah needs to wake up, especially us here in the UK and in Europe. We need to invest in these institutes because these institutes cannot carry on giving the beautiful service that they are without your investment and your support. Now for the figures. So we need at least £175,000 urgently to ensure this institute carries on serving and being a home for our daughters. Now, that is easy when you break it down. It could be 175 families donating £1,000 each. Or it could be donors that donate whatever they can offer to donate. Alhamdulillah, so far offline and online, we are already £40,000 or above. Alhamdulillah, which is amazing progress. And we want to carry on this momentum into this last 10 days and nights of Ramadan. And we need you to share this message. We need you to campaign and be a representative of this historic and amazing institute in the UK. We ask Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to make this project easy to continue for us. And we ask Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to protect all our masajid, on all our institutes of Islamic learning, wherever they may be. So you'll find the message somewhere around this video or this clip. Click on that link, share that link, get this message out, get those links out. It's very easy to donate. We have several links, we have several platforms. Bank transfer direct is the best way. And make sure you do fill out the gift aid form so that we have the donors' details as well. Jazakumullahu khairan. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.